Hi, you are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expression by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. Before we move on to the solution of our question, let us understand briefly what BODMAS is. The word BODMAS is actually the collection of 6 abbreviations. B stands for brackets. We have 4 types of brackets: line brackets, small brackets, curly bracket and square bracket. O stands for order. These types of numbers fall into this category. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Let's carry on with the solution. We have 3 small brackets here. As you know that we have to solve all the brackets in the same sequence as mentioned here. Like first we will solve line bracket, so there is no line bracket there, so we will move on to the next one, which is small bracket. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. We will not write bracket anymore because this is the only number left inside. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Again we will remove the bracket because there is only one number inside the bracket, so we have written it now without the bracket. And then 3 into 3 is this one is plus, so 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now we multiply all the 3 numbers. 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 into 9 is 54, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.